I'm going to take you through my journey of using an AI bot with ChatGPT to make 35 ETH in just 1 month. And I'll share all the tips and tricks you need to get started too. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency trading, you might be wondering what all the fuss is about with AI bots and ChatGPT. But if you're like me, you've already experienced the transformative power of leveraging these cutting-edge technologies to amplify your trading strategy. In this video, I want to take you behind the scenes of my trading journey, sharing how I made a staggering 35 ETH in August alone using an AI bot paired with ChatGPT. One of the biggest advantages of trading with an AI bot is the ability to remove emotions from the equation. As humans, we're wired to make impulsive decisions when it comes to our finances, especially in high-stakes trading scenarios. But an AI bot takes the reins, making calculated trades based on data-driven insights rather than gut feelings. Of course, this approach requires a fundamental shift in mindset, one that's not always easy to adopt. It's natural to feel a level of discomfort when entrusting your trading decisions to a machine. But trust me, the results speak for themselves. In the world of crypto trading, the smallest edge can make all the difference. Market volatility is another major hurdle that crypto traders face every day. Prices can fluctuate wildly in a matter of minutes, leaving even the most seasoned traders feeling helpless. That's where the combination of an AI bot and ChatGPT comes in, providing a stable and informed trading strategy that adapts to the market in real time. Dive into the nitty-gritty of how I achieved this impressive profit. Let's talk about the common struggles that traders face. Many of us have been there, poring over charts and graphs, trying to make sense of the chaos, only to make an impulsive decision that ends up costing us dearly. We've all been guilty of revenge trading, making hasty decisions in an attempt to recoup our losses. It's a vicious cycle that can be devastating to our trading accounts. And then there's the emotional roller coaster of market downturns, where even the most rational traders can find themselves panicking and making rash decisions. Fear and greed are two of the most potent emotions in trading, driving us to make decisions that defy logic and reason. But an AI bot takes these emotions out of the picture, providing a level head in even the most turbulent market conditions. But even with the best trading strategy in place, market volatility can still throw a spanner in the works. That's why it's essential to have a comprehensive understanding of the market, as well as the technology driving your trading decisions. Of course, no trading strategy is foolproof, and even with an AI bot, there are no guarantees of success. But what I've found is that the partnership between an AI bot and ChatGPT provides an unprecedented level of insights and adaptability, allowing me to make informed trades even in the most uncertain market conditions. I've lost count of the number of times I've found myself stuck in a trading rut, unable to make progress despite my best efforts. But with an AI bot, I've been able to break free from these patterns, letting the machine do what it does best, identifying opportunities and maximizing profits. As I looked at my trading account at the end of August, I couldn't believe my eyes. The AI bot had performed exceptionally well, netting me a staggering 35 ETH profit in just 1 month. It was a moment of vindication, proof that the hard work and research I'd poured into developing this AI trading strategy had finally paid off. But before I reveal the specifics of how I achieved this profit, let me tell you, it wasn't a fluke. The AI bot was just doing its job, using its advanced algorithms and ChatGPT-driven insights to identify opportunities and capitalize on them. So, how did I set up the AI bot? Exactly? Well, I'll get into the details in just a moment, but first, let me tell you that it's not just about the technology itself, it's about the strategy and principles behind it. At its core, my AI trading strategy is designed to identify and capitalize on market inefficiencies, using advanced algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data in real time. But what sets it apart is the role ChatGPT plays in enhancing the bot's performance, providing contextual insights and recommendations that take the trading strategy to the next level. As I delve deeper into the world of AI-driven trading, I realized that the real magic happens when you combine the processing power of a machine with the contextual understanding of a human. That's where ChatGPT comes in, providing the AI bot with the nuance and adaptability it needs to thrive in even the most turbulent market conditions. But I'll be the first to admit, setting up the AI bot wasn't easy. It took countless hours of research, testing, and refinement to get it just right. There were times when I felt like throwing in the towel, convinced that I was chasing a pipe dream. But the results speak for themselves. 35 ETH profit in a single month is no joke. As I looked at the bot's performance metrics, I was blown away by its precision and adaptability. It was as if the bot had developed a sixth sense, knowing exactly when to buy and sell to maximize profits. And it was all thanks to the power of ChatGPT, providing the contextual insights that took the bot's performance to new heights. Of course, there were moments when I had to intervene, tweaking the bot's settings to optimize its performance. But for the most part, it was a hands-off process, allowing me to focus on what I do best, refining the strategy and identifying new opportunities. As I reflect on this incredible journey, I'm reminded of the power of innovation and adaptation in trading. By embracing cutting-edge technologies like AI and ChatGPT, I've been able to revolutionize my trading strategy, achieving results that would have been impossible just a few years ago. In the end, it's not just about the profit, it's about the journey, the lessons learned, and the growth as a trader. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's that the future of trading belongs to those who are willing to adapt, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. So, what's next? I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on AI and trading? Have you had any experiences with ChatGPT or other AI-powered trading tools? Leave a comment below and share your insights. And if you want to learn more about my AI trading strategy, be sure to check out my other videos for more in-depth insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.